Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Beatrice. If you didn't know, it is December the 21st. It's currently 2:12 and we have a lot to do today. Not really a lot, but we have some things to do today. So I'm in the process of redecorating my room. Actually, I've been in the process of redecorating my room since about May of this year. I changed my wall color, I primed, I painted, I spackled, I did all the things. It was like a turquoise before, but now it's like a muted out bluish, grayish, whitish look. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. And so today we are looking for stuff. I'm gonna put up the inspo of the idea, the concept that I'm trying to go for in my room now. My room is pretty small, so I can't do too much without losing space or feeling like, I have too much stuff in here. So I have to be careful and utilize space efficiently. Buy stuff when I move. So I'm working with what I have, basically. Like, I wanted a new bed frame, but I'm gonna work with what I have. I'm gonna maybe DIY something. I'm just trying to figure it out. I'm gonna put up the inspo. So I am trying to go for this like 3D wall look. Maybe do something like this to my headboard. And this was really cute. I have a problem with my skincare beauty stuff just being all over the room, and so I feel like having that space in that section will really help me, keep everything organized. Even when I don't want to sit on my bed, like I could sit on the chair and read or something. I don't know, but it's very small, very compact. I think that would be a perfect fit for my room because I can't have like a big vanity. I don't have the space for it since I already have my dresser, which I'm thinking about putting in another room because it's just taking up a lot of space. I might have to DIY the table myself, but it's so cute. I think I wanted something like printed, like a leopard print or like a cow print, which I did see on Amazon because Urban Outfitters is selling this, and it's pricey, baby. It's pricey. I'm thinking about making myself at least just the table. I could buy the chair off of Amazon, but the table I'm gonna have to DIY. Stay tuned for that. I need to measure my wall and then go to Home Depot to get the wood that I need. Yeah, I think that is what I need right there, but it's not long. I may need to go to Lowe's because it's looking like they don't have exactly what I'm looking for. In my room, that's what I wanted to do at first, but then I was like, it costs too much. So I'm gonna head out and go to Lowe's. This is 7 feet. This is almost 8 feet, and my room is about 9 feet. My room is about 9 feet 7 inches. So I don't want to get a whole nother big one because then that would just be a waste of board. I would only need about an inch. I would only need about an inch or two of it instead of 7 inches. So I'm trying to see if I can get like 2 smaller boards, 4 feet lengthwise, and then add them up. Because it's not the width that's the problem, it will be the length that's the problem if I get smaller. The problem is, will this fit my car? I cannot get this in the car. It's just this, it's curly. Sometimes it's best to not do it yourself. Do you see what trying to be about the builder gets me? Good morning. It's 11:32 and we are on our way to the gym. Now, it is for a tour, but I hope they will let me work out today because I signed up for the 3-day pass to just try out LA Fitness and see if I like it and if it's worth paying it with $29.99, $30 for it. I haven't been to the gym in a couple months. Actually, I went to the gym. The last time I went to the gym and worked out was late November. And for that month, I only probably worked out 2 times the whole of November. So I'm excited to work out again. I need to get my mind right. Because once you really fall off, don't go into the gym. I don't know. It's hard to get back in. Like when you have that momentum-minute consistency, it's so easy. But when you fall off, it's the hardest part. But I'm thinking about just going to the gym like this. Like no hat. Like maybe learn to like your natural hair. And I do like the hair. Cause like who gonna say something to me? So I just got done with my workout. I did not take my camera in there because I wasn't sure how everything looked. Next time I'm gonna bring my camera in there and show you guys what I do. I'm on my weight gain journey. This should be fun. I'm about to go home, take a shower. I did not eat breakfast, so I'm gonna make myself like a protein smoothie. I think I still have some frozen fruit, so I'm gonna make myself a protein smoothie and get some banana and get some toast and put some peanut butter on there, and that'll be my breakfast. It's practically lunch because it's 12:57, but I'm gonna go home, take a shower, and get ready for the day. But this was a good workout. I'm glad to be back in the gym. Sometimes you just really need to go to the gym and just work out. Like it's just simple as that sometimes. Clear the plate.
Just gonna kind of go with the flow.
You don't know my brother Fredo, do you, Johnny?
It's like you're hanging up. You just bought one. Yeah.
No, I did buy one. This is one. Yeah, this is
What you think?
I love it.
Fix this. I've been nailing it based on.
Y'all, so this is what she's looking like so far. Looks so good. I don't know, I could face it like this and just have my dresser to the side right here. It offers like more room to walk in. So I could do my room like this. This is another option. Dresser facing this way, so if I need to get anything, I could pull it out this way. I could put like a mini seating area, I don't know, and just have everything else. I don't know, I'm gonna see how I like it for a couple of days. If I want to just move the dresser out all together, then I'll do that. I'm gonna set you guys up so we can spackle together. is what it looks like so far. I spackled it just to get it a little more even. And then I'm gonna go in with my sander. Now the nails are just gonna have to stay. I bought the wrong time. I bought screws, I didn't buy nails. So they will be poking out a little bit. But my thing is, just don't get too close. Like, we'll be fine if you just don't get too close. I am supposed to be on my way out, but I don't like my hair. It doesn't look too bad, I guess, and we're gonna be in the dark anyways, so I look like I'm in a demo house, but I love that I can do projects like this. It's so cute. Thank you.
Why you doing an intro?
This is a week-long vlog.
Into some shit. Into some
What do you do?
Okay.
Guys vlogging.
I don't know how to
It was good. Name is Heritage. Follow me on Instagram at Billionaire Tage. So Billionaire then TAGE. That's how we do it.
Alrighty.
The goal is for this to hit the ball. That's three. Miami did one touch.
You got it. What is this? 90-degree angle? 40.
One touch and I'll actually break.
This is also magnetic last I checked. Yeah, this is magnetic.
Let me add flash for you guys. You guys need some lights.
Thank you.
Yeah, right to quality. Let's improve the quality. I can see that too. Yes, very good.
Alright, y'all. Hey, this is meeting.
Mine is also quite
How many times?
Another way.
As of the next 2 weeks.
Thank you. go, honey. Let's take it out.
Ooh, I love this quality. I can't lie, it's good.
I'm waiting. Think I'm gonna make it right
Biatch. How many finals you have? 1, 2, 3, 27, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41.
Okay, not bad. Oh, me.
This one will be easy.
If you get a shrimp the way you call it salad,
No, that is not the best sauce.
with this
The best
sauces,
sauce is the balsamic vinegar one and then the vinegar one. It's the best sauce. These are not the best sauces. I've never had that combination
I
before.
like my sauce creamy.
Strawberry lemonade?
I didn't know that.
Yeah. I'm very shocked too because I asked for the pineapple, dragon fruit, pink one thingy. So I was really surprised when
I never knew they did strawberry.
How do you guys feel about having a camera without the mirror, like the LCD screen, like facing you?
You can see it. You can see yourself.
You can see it on here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. I have a big camera, but it's very inconvenient. And sometimes I just want to like live in the moment. Sometimes.
You see.
So far, so good. The only issue is not even an issue. The only thing that I would have known, that I wish I would have known better to do, was to get nails instead of screws. Because you can see some of them because they're not all the way into the cardboard. Like right there, and those over there. They're in the cardboard pretty well, so you can't really see them. And I spackled over them, so you can't really see it. But these right here that are in the corner where I had to cut the wood off, those you can see. But it is what it is. I'm not overly mad at it. It's just next time I know. When I tell you this video was supposed to have been up on Sunday, but my package that got delivered Saturday got delivered to the wrong address. So I had to wait till my neighbor was responsive, which is today, Monday the 29th. So I can hang these lights up and finish off the video. I'm finna hang it up, flat screen. This is what my room looks like so far. There's still a whole lot that I need to go through, put up, declutter. Like those shoes right there, I need to sort those out. It's giving so far. Again, I took my dresser from her room and put it in my sister's room. She no longer stays in there. I'm giving very plain right now, but once I really like decide what I want to go through and build and buy and everything, it'll really be a room transformation, and then I'll do an updated one. But so far, this is what we're working with.